Sanibona bafethu uVan lo. Yazi mesithi iMamelodi Sundowns ayisafani nakuqala sisuke sikhuluma lento le. Yabona lo coach osekhona right now, uMiguel Cardoso. uMiguel Cardoso, it's like le team le uyibuyisa backwards. It's like uyibuyisa backwards. Look at the 2024 AFCON collapse. Abadlali ababebiziwe abawudlalela AFCON. Ronwen Williams, Grant Kekana, Terence Mashego, Aubrey Modiba, Mothobi Mvala, Khulisa Mudau, Tebogo Mokoena, Thapelo Maseko, Thapelo Morena, Themba Zwane. Yabo uPeter Shalulileko wayebiziwe with Namibia. Ikantra idlalelayo. But look at these players ababiziwe beMamelodi Sundowns. 10 players. This is like the whole squad of iMamelodi Sundowns. The first 11 of iMamelodi Sundowns yayibiziwe yabo for iAFCON. That tells you i-level yebhola eyayidlalwa uRulani. Yabo uRulani ngempela wayegrilla ngempela labadlali laba. Yabo ibadrilla ngempela efuna nje the best results for iMamelodi Sundowns. But right now uma usubheka isquad seMamelodi Sundowns, those players they are not the same anymore. They are full of South American players kulesa squad lesiyana. They are full of European players kulesa squad lesiyana. And uma usubheka abadlali ababiziwe this time, look at the players ababiziwe for iAFCON. Abadlalela iMamelodi Sundowns. Look at the players ababiziwe for iAFCON abadlalela iSundowns. There are many players who are left out in this list. There are many players. There are those couple of players mhlampe yabo bebene injury like uThemba Zwane. Maybe you can make your case about Abo Mvala. Yabo you can make your case about Abo Mvala with uThemba Zwane. But equality mfethu. Equality ayisekho. Even nebhola abadlalayo right now alisafani yaqala. Yabo ngempela uMiguel Cardoso kumele ashintshe laphana. Yabo siyadinga ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns ibe mnandi, siyadinga ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs ibe mnandi, siyadinga ukuthi Orlando Pirates ibe mnandi. Ama team kahle la ku Betway Premiership sawadinga ukuthi ibe mnandi ukuze sizokwazi ukumaintaina istandard sebhola la eSouth Africa. Yabo asikwazi ukufethu ukuthi sibe ne team enjengeMamelodi Sundowns esaziyo ukuthi uma vele ama teammates engaperform kahle kwi-CAF yona izokwazi ukuthi simele. Yabo izokwazi ukuthi simele. So sizomelwa kanjani i-team engenawo abadlali abaningi kwi-national team. Yabo so lo coach lo khona ngempela kumele alungise izinto. Mengayilungisa izinto ngempela iSundowns kumele yenze something. But ke it seems like ama fans akhona they are cool with the facts that iMamelodi Sundowns ayiperform kahle. Because kube mina hayi badla ngeke. But ke ngingazi ngani bafethu, what do you feel about lento yenza ku Sundowns? Is Sundowns falling noma yabo kukhona ushintsho basazozana nalo? Because they are full of players who are not South Africans in that squad. Yabo you likes of Marcelo Allen, you likes of abo Rezino, yabo labafethu labafikile nje mfethu oSalez. Yabo they are roaming. They are really running that Mamelodi Sundowns squad. Yabo South African players don't get a chance lapha abafethu. Abo Mkhulise, yabo abo Neo Mayema bayakhishwa, abo Thapelo Maseko badlaliswa kwi-DDC. Imagine Thapelo Maseko, he was part of the 2024 AFCON. But right now sedlala kwi-DDC. Udlala kwi-DDC right now mfethu.